Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to boot your Google Pixel phone into safe mode and how to turn it off quickly and easily. So let's get started. To boot into safe mode, first press the power button and volume up button together for a short moment to bring up the power menu. Or, you can do it through the quick menu. Next, to boot into safe mode, tap and hold the power off option until you see the safe mode prompt. When asked to reboot to safe mode, just tap OK to restart your phone in safe mode. Your phone will restart, and you'll see safe mode at the bottom corner of the screen. In this mode, only system apps will work. This helps you check if any third-party app is causing issues. To turn off safe mode, simply restart your phone as usual. You can do this by pressing the power button and volume up button together until the power menu appears, or through quick settings. Once the menu appears, tap Restart. After your phone restarts, safe mode will be turned off, and your phone will return to normal. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.